In this video, we will look at how you can improve the performance of your Shopify store. With Smart SEO, you can improve the speed of your store by optimizing your store images. To do this, go to Image Optimization. Here you can optimize the different types of images in your Shopify store. The images for products, collections, articles, and files. Under Files, you can optimize all the images that you have manually uploaded in your store. Please note that all product images are also included in Files. This is a new development in Shopify. The goal is to unify all images in your store under one section, namely Files. The product images are already part of this section, but the collection and article images are yet to be added. So for now, they need to be optimized separately. Let's optimize a couple of product images. Instead of optimizing them one by one, you can also do this in bulk for a subset of products by applying a product filter. Or you can do it for all product images. While we wait for our product images to be optimized, let's head over to Page Speed. Here, all you need to do is click the Enable button. When Page Speed is enabled, Smart SEO will preload your pages in the background before they are actually requested. This results in a much faster page load and a much better user experience. We have seen how to improve the performance of our Shopify store by using the image optimization and page speed features in Smart SEO. Now let's look at how we can make our Shopify store even more SEO friendly.